Hello, my name's Lorraine Marshall and welcome to my YouTube channel Lorraine Marshall Online, where I upload review videos of digital products that are launching. Today I'm going to be taking a look at a new product which is launching Saturday the 26th of June, and the name of the product is Xena. It's a training and a software product. Now we'll take a look at the inside of the members area, then we take a look at the sales page, and finally, we'll take a look at my bonus page and 4 fantastic bonuses that I have for you when you purchase Xena through the link that I have in the description below this video. So here we are inside of the members area, and the first thing that you see is the welcome message from the creators of this product, which is Nanda, Kath and Paula Marie. This is the, obviously, it's all about Facebook marketing, and it's how Facebook is a powerful way to communicate, how to make a Facebook account for your business and a Facebook profile account set up step by step. So all the training videos are inside of the members area, and it's easy to navigate. It's easy to navigate around. You've got the introduction to the software, and you can install the software on Apple, Mac, or you can put it on Windows. The download for the software is here. Then you've got more videos about how you can use the software to get the money coming in, how there's some little training videos here about different case studies. Then it goes into the exclusive bonuses, which are all listed in this section here, which will be all available even if you purchase the product through my link. Then we've got the upgrades, which is Gabriel, Chakram, Amipolis, Crusader and Prophet Lust, which I'll explain in a little bit more detail when we take a look at the bonus page further into this video. So that's the members area for Xena. As you can see, there is a special offer. If you decide to click away from the sales page, this coupon code comes up, which can give you a $3 discount off the product off the front end. And right, okay, so basically it is a software and it is a training at the same time. People who have used this already, beta testers, are saying that they're netting $214 a day. Now that's the claim that the creators are making. 100% free traffic. It runs on autopilot, siphons the traffic from one of the world's largest websites, which is obviously Facebook. There's no list or no video, no paid ads, no production creation. It's newbie friendly and it's a one-click setup. So obviously I've just shown you inside of the product area, the members area, so you could see it's quite easy and simply laid out. So how much is it? The regular price, $97 a month. But today and through the launch, you've got the front end product at $17. Now, I'm sure the price will increase hourly. So once the launch goes live, this price is going to increase. So there you go. You've got some proof on the sales dashboard here in Warrior Forum, so how much that they have been able to bring in from using this particular product, how much they made. And we've got some testimonials, what customers are saying. So, you know, let's just have a little.
Hi everyone, Silva here, coming to you from rainy London. I just want to share my thoughts on this new product by Paula Marie called Xena. Guys, I am absolutely blown away with this product. Buy this product. It's basically a lovely software that will show you how to generate traffic with a platform that we all know and we all use every day, but we just don't know how to make money with it. Right? So it's gonna work for you if you're a beginner, if you're a newbie to like making money online. Also if you're advanced for anyone good. It is good for anyone. It will work in any niche, and it's going to show you how to generate traffic like there is no tomorrow. Bye.
So this is the sales page with the testimonials. So now we'll have a quick look at my bonus page and the bonuses I am putting with Xena. The launch is starting in just a few days. June the 29th is when it starts, that's Saturday. There you go, so there's a few days to go yet before the end of the launch, before the bonuses expire. We've got to wait until the 29th for the sales to go live. So basically, I can run you through, because we've obviously looked already what it's all about, but I can run you through the prices and the upsells. Starting at the front end offer of $17, you've got an upgrade, which is the first upgrade, which is Gabrielle at $37, and a downgrade at $27. You've got another upgrade, which is the Chakram, which is $47 with a downsell of $37. The third upsell is Amphipolis, which is $97 and a downgrade for $47. And then you've got Crusader Access done for you, high ticket commissions, $197 and a downgrade of $97. And the last one in the list is Profit Lust, which is giving you reseller rights to the product and a bonus, which is not one, not two, but 3 extra bonuses in there. And that is retail at $67, but a downgrade of $37. That's in the complete funnel there. So here's some of the key benefits that you might be interested in getting. 100% free traffic, runs on autopilot, siphons free traffic from one of the world's largest websites, which we know is Facebook. No list, no video, no paid ads, no production creation. It's newbie friendly and it's a one-click setup with the software. So you could start getting results as soon as you purchase the product. So the product's available and all of the bonuses when you click any of these red buttons on my website. The link for this bonus page will be in the description below this video. So my first bonus is a hack, which is Access Atomic, which is a done for you training. My second bonus is 2,000 copy and paste emails. Now all of these bonuses are available through John O. Armstrong, who is my mentor on this program. Third bonus here is 10 local search engine optimization hacks that you probably didn't know about, which again, anyone who wants to boost their rankings will be interested in this little bonus. And finally, I have access to Polaris Pro, another one of John O. Armstrong's traffic products. And you will still get all of the vendor bonuses. So this is my bonus page, and like I say, any one of these red buttons, when you click on that, you will be taken through to the sales page for Xena, and you will be able to claim all of these bonuses through Warrior Plus when you purchase. When you see this little blue button here at the bottom, this is where you would be able to access all of the bonuses that I have linked here in this bonus page. So once again, my name's Lorraine Marshall and my website is makemoneyonline-niches.com and my YouTube channel is Lorraine Marshall Online. So that's it for now. I will see you on the next review video. Thank you. Bye for now.